Alright, now in this section we're going to be talking about creating text boxes and gadgets. So we're going to learn how to use that. As you notice, this is a web page that I'm working on currently for my website, and I use a 2-column spread here. Like I mentioned earlier, you can actually have text box and gadgets cascading here and other elements on the other side. So you always have this as an option as well. And you guys see I have my links here along with little icons. What I'm going to do today is going to show you how to make a text box. And I'm going to use this example. As you guys can see here are a few of my text boxes that are already incorporated in my website. Here's one that heading says Welcome to ES Computer Lab Information Station, Homework, Recent News. I'm going to make another text box underneath this recent news box. And so to do that, if I'm going to add a text box to my page, I'll click on Edit Page. Okay, and the interesting thing is when you click on Edit Page, all of a sudden your text boxes look different. In fact, they're not the one that we see. That's the public mode of the page, but it actually shows almost like placeholders of where these boxes are, along with the title, and it's called Text Gadget. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom of this last text box that I had, and my cursor's there, and I'm going to go to where it says Insert. And when I go to Insert, I'm going to go down to where it says Text Box. Okay, and I'm going to click on that. And this text box appears right here. They're asking what the gadget title is. So what do you want the heading of this text box to say? So remember, I had the previous ones that says Welcome to ES Computer Lab, Recent News, Homework. For this one, I'm going to call it Quick Links. Okay. With the pixels, I'm just going to leave it blank. And for the body, you can enter any information you want. You can write down announcements if you want to make it a text box announcements, or the possibilities are endless. You could choose text box, and it's a very nice looking way to organize your information. I already have something copied, so I'm going to paste a series of links onto this text box, and the links are already linked up, and I'm just going to click on Save. Okay, and now you're going to see that this text box now underneath says Quick Links. Now, when I click on a particular text box, you're going to see that there's this little bar. Let's say, for example, you forgot to add something in your text box, or you want to edit it. You're clicking on it. How do you get back into that text box? Well, you'll notice that this blue bar on the bottom, there's a button that says Properties on the corner of the left-hand side. And if I click on that, there it brings up the Textbox Properties pop up again, and I can go ahead and add other things as well if I need to change it. Okay, and so that is how you get back into your text box. Okay, so that's how you use a text box or gadget. You can, once again, you can do this with any other gadget that they offer here on that menu. The next thing I want to show you is how to actually put in a video. Say, for example, you have a video that you saw on YouTube or something online that you want to refer your students to. Google Sites actually allows you to embed a YouTube movie or a Google video movie. I'm going to show you guys how to do one using YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to go to this page right here, adding content. Okay, and I'm going to edit this page and plug in a movie from YouTube. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Insert, Video, YouTube. And it's going to ask you paste the URL of your YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on my YouTube video I have on another browser. There it is. And I'm going to copy this top here by highlighting it, Apple C or Control C to copy. And then I'm going to do Apple or Control V to paste. There's my video. I'm not going to include a title here, but you can if you want. I can click on Save. There's my YouTube video. I'm going to have it centered, and then I will save this. Okay, and as you save it, you'll notice that now my video is embedded on my page, and it's on YouTube. So that's how you add a video on YouTube.